Hello and welcome everyone, CarMAN back with another video, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys on how to install the star lighting on your vehicle. This star lighting is very similar to the one that you get in a Rolls-Royce, and you could install this basically in any vehicle. And today I'm going to be doing this on my Hummer H2. So before you start, you have to remove the headliner, and I already have another video uploaded for that, so please check that out in the card above or check it out in my playlist. And once we have the headliner removed, we are ready for the install. The kit itself is pretty inexpensive, and I'll have a link down below. And we're also going to be needing a Dremel tool so we can make small holes to get the fiber optic out to the other side of the headliner. We're also going to be needing a hot glue gun with a lot of glue sticks and also a lot of time. As you guys are going to see right here, the kit that I have has 450 fiber optic strands, and to install each one, we first need to drill a hole, push the fiber optic cable through that hole, and then hot glue it. And you're going to do this 450 times so we could get all the strands out to the other side of the headliner. And now all I'm doing is drilling a few holes, pushing the strands right through it, and then hot gluing them into place. And we're going to keep going. It's a repeat process, so I'm going to keep doing this until I have all the strands installed. And there's no particular way to do this. It's all up to you how you want to design it, where you want more of these stars and where you want less of them. And now that we're finally done installing all the strands into place, it's time to reinstall the headliner back into the vehicle. And while you're installing the headliner back into place, you want to find a spot where you could run the whole fiber optic strand out to one side and connect it to the box. And before buttoning up everything and putting it back into place, it's always a good idea to test and make sure that the box itself is working. Installing the box is pretty simple. You just have to ground the negative wire and then get some sort of power, and the power I'm getting is from the 12-volt cigarette lighter. And with the box connected, all the lights are working. And now the last step left is to cut each strand down close to the headliner. And here it is. Here are the final results. I gotta say, this is a very amazing upgrade for any vehicle, including the Hummer. And the particular kit that I used, and is also linked down below, has a lot of different types of colors and different strobes and different modes that you can use. So it's completely customizable. But if you want to have that starlight feeling, then you could set it to the white color. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I spent a lot of time on this DIY install and the video. So if you guys did enjoy it, please make sure to hit the like button and drop a comment down below. And if you guys want to see more videos like this, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys soon with another video. Thank you.